You want some science? Sure, I'll give you some science. I love science. Here are 5 things about the universe that point to a creator. So first is the fine-tuning of the universe. Even atheists, ardent atheists, will admit that this is the best evidence that there is a creative mind behind everything. The universe's physical laws are so precisely balanced that even the smallest change would make life impossible. The cosmological constant, if it were off by even 1 part in 10 to the 120th power, galaxies and thus life could not exist. DNA contains complex computer-like instructions that seem far too precise to have come about by chance. The human genome holds over 3 billion base pairs of ordered information, much like a book or software program. And so you can take a little bit of DNA and grow something big out of it. In fact, that's how they do cloning. So let's talk about Earth's perfect condition. Earth has just the right location, atmosphere, and conditions to support life. Something incredibly rare. We have yet to find another planet like it. We've found planets of similar size or composition, and some that might even have an atmosphere, like Venus, but none of them are capable of supporting life. It orbits in what's called the Goldilocks zone, which is just right, not too far and not too close from the sun, and the sun is the right type of star so that we don't get cooked or irradiated. It also has a magnetic field to protect us from excess radiation from the sun. It has liquid water and a moon that stabilizes the tilt, all of which are finely balanced. Now, another one is human consciousness. Our ability to think, feel, and be self-aware, that cannot be explained by scientific processes. Then we have the irreducible complexity. So some biological systems, like bacterial flagellum, need all of their parts in order to work, suggesting they could not have been developed step by step. It's kind of like the idea of procreation. Which developed first, the male parts or the female parts? Things have to already be working for them to work. And if they're working, well, why aren't they more simple? We have asexual beings. Why aren't all of us asexual? Why don't we just spontaneously reproduce? That would be a lot more simple. If it was like a survival of the fittest type thing, don't you think that would survive much more easily than 2 puzzle pieces having to fit together first? So those are just 5 examples.